Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use deform tool in SolidWorks and deform any kind of body like flat surface, straight bar, or like this. There are three types of deform tools: point base, curve to curve, and surface push deform. So let's see how to use this tool in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. This is the 100 by 200 millimeter body and 15 millimeter we extruded. So let's deform this body. So just go to insert and here you will find, go to feature and you will find option here deform tool. And even in search command you can type deform. You will see option here. Just click on eye, either directly click or click on eye. If you click on eye, it will automatically open the location. You will see I am not doing this one. This one happens automatically. You will see the red arrow. Click OK. Now there are three types of deform. The first is point based deform. Now deform point, if I'll choose this one, you will see I selected a randomly in a point on the surface, and you will see if I will not do anything and simply click yes, you will see a deform from the bottom. Let's edit. Now clear. Let's try deform at point. This is vertex point. Okay, see here the second one, choose direction. So I'll choose this vertical length, reverse. See it moving upward. Now here you can adjust the deform distance or height. See if more less you can arrange. Here show preview or if you uncheck it will hide the preview. Now this is the region of deform, how long you want to deformed. See 20 millimeter. If I am going to move, it's going to move towards this end. Now there is one option, deform region. If I choose deform region, it will ask you, give me some more freedom to choose the boundary of deform. So let's say if I'll choose any fixed edges or surface, I'll choose this one. See how it's deformed up to this body or this face. Simply we don't have any other options because this all edges, faces are covered, so this won't work here. Then this is the body to deform. This is already we selected, so no need to select here because we are doing point base. Now here shape, minimum, medium and maximum. If I'll choose maximum, see how it looks like. You will see the maximum, minimum, medium, and this is minimum deform. Let's say medium, and this is the accuracy shape. If I'll click maximum, it won't give you accuracy, so let's click sharp. Maintain body, come down. If you uncheck additional faces only, say OK. So additional faces only, it will show you, see only this much faces is going to deformed. Now here click maintain body, so deform up to this face. So this is called point based deform. Now look how we deform. Let's check the next one. Now here the second deform tool is curve to curve. So let's deform this cylinder. So we need to create required geometry first, front plane, sketch, and let's say we need this kind of shape. We want to modify this shape into this kind of shape. So let's say exit, and here we need to define one edge because this is circular, so we need to define reference edge. So front plane, sketch, let me draw here a line and exit. Now same as what we did before, insert features and choose deform tool. Now here curve to curve tool, we have to choose both the curve, one and second, because this is curve to curve. In circular cylinder there is no curve edges so you have to do it. Now here one more option there, plus you can add one more curves, but we don't have right now here, so just go on, stay on the first one. Okay, this is fixed edges. Now select, okay, here you need to choose body. If I'll choose body, see how it's going to deform the body into this kind of shape with the help of this curve. Okay, now here the things are maximum, medium or minimum. You will see the, now here you will find weight we will keep medium. If you move here and there, it will little difference will you will be able to see. Now match, surface turn, you will see here reverse tangent, curve direction. See, the body is moving along the curve. If I'll choose maintain body, uniform, if I'll keep uniform, it will try to keep uniform at all edges, at all points. See the point at center, this point also center of the body, center of the mass. So this is one of the way how to create. Now click uniform and unchecked fixed edges. Now here one more options. See deform radius. If you will increase, see it's going to increase. This is the center line, you will see the point here. Medium, and it is a kind of body to be deformed extrude. Let's say I'll choose curve and okay, let's try to make tangent only. Now look, the body perfectly took the shape of curve. So this is one of the way curve to curve deformed body. Let's try the third one. Here the third deform tool is surface push deform. This is one rectangle 100 by 200 millimeter and 15 millimeter extrude, and this is the 50 millimeter cylinder, and it is extruded 45 millimeter. Let's try to use the deform tool and deform this upper surface with the help of this one. Insert, feature, deformed. Now here surface push deform. Now first option you need to choose direction. So I'll select one edge, any one edge we can use it. Okay. Now this here it is selected face or body. So I want to deform this body. So simply choose this body. It is going reverse direction, make upside. Now here you will find too many options for deform. Either use body, ellipse or any kind of shape. Just put the shape and choose here radius, what kind of radius you like, 40 millimeter or 80 millimeter. If you choose 80 millimeter, you will get a big radius on this surface. I'll say yes. See, there is a big deformations happen this on this surface. Edit. Now if you choose, there is one more option called select body. Here choose the body. This is the body. Now we want to deform this upper part with the help of this one. So this is the deform deviation. Let's keep minimum 10. Now let's move the body. So this is x, y, z direction. So y direction we will move. See, y is going to move, and you will see start to see deformation here. See, it's going to deform. Even though you can shift this deformation, see it's moving x direction. If you choose z, see it's moving on z direction also. See, if I'll say yes, see this deformation happened with the help of this one. If I'll choose edit, comes down and makes Z 0. So exactly we will get at center. Look. So this is the simple deformation tools which is very useful tools in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.